Hello, friends, and dear aspirants. I'm Uttam Kumar Sharma and back with another question of the day. So you can see there is a very interesting question that we are going to discuss today. It's very interesting from all again competitive examination point of view, especially when we talk about the MBA entrance exams. The question says, how many three-digit even numbers can you form such that if one of the digits is 5, then the following digit must be 7? So, friends, this question is not very tough, but you need to understand the catch behind this question. The first condition. So the conditions given is that you need to calculate three-digit numbers. What kind of numbers? You need three-digit even numbers, not just any kind of number. So the moment we are talking about even number, we are talking about the unit place, right? Because even number is being decided by the digit at the unit place. So unit place digit can be either of these digits in order to make it even, that is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, right? So either the 5 digits, either of these 5 digits, you cannot take any other digit because you need that three-digit even numbers, right? So unit place is already sorted. You cannot take anything else. You don't have a choice. Now we are talking about tens place and hundreds place, right? That we can definitely think about, that tens and a hundred place can be filled with. So it's talking about that if one digit is 5, it has to be the following digit is 7. Means if you are try to understand this part, right? That if I'm talking about a three-digit number, and if this tens place I'm taking 5, the unit place has to be 7, which is not possible because I need an even three-digit number. And in order to make it even, I can take this place, I can fill that unit place only with the help of 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. That is this 5 digits. So clearly, we cannot use 7. So this is 1. I cannot put a 5 here. Right. I cannot put again a 5 here. I can put a 5 here. Then I have to take a 7 here, right? So that's how it is to be designed. Now let's understand how to solve it. Right. So first, the three-digit, places when we are going to take 5 at unit 100 place and 7 at tens place, right? So how many numbers can be found? So if we are taking 5 at hundreds place, this place, so only one way, 7 at this place, tens place. So there is only one way, right? There is only one way that we can take 7, and unit place can be taken as 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So that is 5 ways, right? 5 ways. Understood? So I'm getting here, I can form 5 such numbers, 5 numbers that are even, and 5 and 7, right? So this is one of the thing that we can take, fix, right? If you want to watch the numbers, I can clearly say my numbers are 570 or 572 or 574 or 576 or 578. So these 5 numbers we have found. But is it all the numbers that we are looking for? Obviously not. We are looking for some other number because it's asking about form all three-digit even numbers, right? If the condition is if you are getting 5, then it must be followed. So that means we can form other three-digit even numbers also where I'm not taking here 5. If 5 I'm not taking, then also I can form a three-digit number, and that will ultimately be even if I'm ending the number that is unit place with this. So how many numbers that can be formed? Try to understand this very, very carefully. Right. If you don't understand, pause the video, listen carefully. I have described each and every, small point that is required to understand. So as I told you that this place could be filled with only 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, 5 ways, right? This place can take anything from 0 to 9, but except 5, because if I'm taking a 5 here, I have to write 7 at unit place, which is not at all possible, right? I cannot take 7 at unit place. So 0 to 9, there are 10 digits, of which you are taking out 5. So 0 to 9 में अगर आपने 5 निकाल दिया, तो you are left with only 9 ways. I can take either of the 9 digits that is left from 0 to 9 except 5. And what about this hundreds place? So 100 place, you cannot take 0, you cannot take 0, you cannot take 5. So 1 to 9, but except again 5, right? So 1 to 9, there are 9 digits. And again, you cannot take 5 because already this case has been taken here. If you take 5, then 7 and all cases. So you cannot take 5. So you are left with only 8 choices to fill this place. So you have 8 ways to fill 100th place, 9 ways to fill 10th place, and 5 ways to fill unit place. When you multiply, you will be getting 360 numbers. So total, you can form 5 plus 360, that is 365 numbers that are even. And also this includes the other case that if you are taking 5, then the following number is also 7. So all conditions are satisfied and 365 is the answer. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, but try to clarify that. We'll respond that. And keep subscribing us to watch important videos, important questions like this. If you want to crack CAT in 4.5 months and your target is nothing below 99 plus percentile, we are going to help you out in this journey to achieve your goal. So just follow and watch the next video in question of the day. Do also, you can follow our channel, because I'm putting up very conceptual videos, and for the students who are non-maths background students, so the videos are very descriptive and very logical. Also, it contains a lot of shortcuts that are not being taught at many classrooms in India. So I'm sure you will be benefited by comparing the quality. All right, so see you in the next video. Thank you.